In this session, you will complete the ticketing area by adding casework detail. You will add some under-counter cabinets from the casework library and a wood counter and trim using the profile tool. Select the casework tool. Select a base cabinet to place under a counter, and select a placement point. Now these cabinets will fit between the windows, so they should be 18 inches or 600 millimeters wide. We are only planning a 12-inch or 300 millimeter deep counter, so we will make that the depth of the cabinet. And the height should be set to fit under the windowsill, allowing for the counter. Note that the base cabinets are placed 4 inches or 100 millimeters above the floor plane to allow for a base. So the height should be 2 foot 7 inches or 775 millimeters. Based on that, set the width, height, and depth of the cabinet. To place the cabinet, select the face of the wall. Then select the position along the wall. Continue to place cabinets or copy the one already placed. Next, we will add the counter. Note that I have added a knee wall to support a counter in the cased opening. It is important to note that I changed the sense distance on the cased opening to just a 1/2 inch or 15 millimeters, so that the perforator only cuts through the masonry wall and not the knee wall, which is only projected out from the opening by a few inches. To place a counter, we will use the profile tool. The profile tool uses a 2D shape. These are stored in a cell library, and we will extrude it along a path similar to placing a wall. Data group properties are added to each profile, so they have intelligent data and can be scheduled if necessary. Select the catalog item, project ticket counter. Note that there is a part definition already assigned to the profile. On the placement ribbon, set the base offset to 3 feet 1 inch or 925 millimeters. Select the start point for the counter at the intersection of the back wall and the side wall. The AccuDraw compass should be in a top orientation. The flip state in the Properties dialog can be toggled to change the direction of the profile. Draw the placement line along the back wall to place the counter. Draw a second counter along the knee wall. Now this second counter needs some trim at the exposed front edge. Again, we can use the profile tool for this. Change the catalog item to Project Ticket Counter Edge, and change the base offset to 0, and unlock the ACS plane and ACS plane snap locks. We will place this profile by tracing the counter edge. In this session, you have added casework details to the architectural interior using both the casework tool and the profile tool. In the next session, we will add additional content, such as furniture and equipment, to finish out the interior.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.